Bar equipment is essential for any establishment that wants to serve drinks efficiently, safely, and with high quality. Here are some examples of bar equipments. Shakers. Used to mix ingredients together, such as a Boston shaker or a cocktail shaker. Strainers. Used to strain ice and other ingredients from a drink, such as a Hawthorne strainer or a julep strainer. Muddler. Used to mash fruits, herbs, and other ingredients in the bottom of a glass. Jigger. A measuring tool used to ensure accurate pouring of spirits. The most common jigger sizes are 1 ounce and 1.5 ounces. Pourers. Used to control the flow of liquids from bottles, such as a speed pourer used to store. Bar spoon. Used for stirring and layering drinks. Bottle openers. Used to open bottles of beer and wine. Blender. Used to blend ingredients for frozen drinks or smoothies. Ice crusher. Used to crush ice for drinks. Citrus press. Used to extract juice from citrus fruits. Bar caddy. Used to hold and organize bar tools. Cutting board. Used to prepare fruits and garnishes. Knives. Used to prepare fruits and garnishes. Bar mats. Used to protect the countertop and catch spills. Bar towels. Used to wipe down surfaces and dry glasses. Cocktail picks. Used to garnish drinks and hold ingredients together. Coasters. Used to protect surfaces and absorb spills. Bar caddies. Storing condiments and garnishes such as lemons, limes, olives, and cherries. Trays. Used to transport drinks to customers. Cash register or point of sale (POS) system. Used to process transactions and keep track of sales. Ice machines. Used to make ice for drinks. Bar fridge. Used to store ingredients such as fruits, syrups, and mixers. Ice scoop. Used to scoop ice out of an ice bin. Ice bucket. Keeping ice cubes and ice balls readily available for use in drinks. Ice tong. When serving drinks, use the tongs to add ice to the glasses.